Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by confirming your iPhone supports live text and you're on iOS 15 or later. This saves time. Next, open Camera for real-time capture or pick an existing photo in Photos and make sure the text is flat, in focus, and well lit so recognition succeeds. Once the text appears, tap the live text icon in the corner or press and hold directly on the photo to highlight words. This begins extraction, so you can select the exact text you need. Now you'll refine and extract the text. Drag the selection handles to include only the words or lines you want. Precise selection reduces errors. After selecting, choose Copy to place text on the clipboard, Translate to convert language, or Share to send directly to another app. Make sure to paste into Notes, Messages, Mail, or any app that accepts text. If you need structured data, paste into a form and proofread. Live text is fast, but occasionally misreads characters. Finish by scanning full documents or saving multi-page captures. Open Notes, tap Camera, and choose Scan Documents. Adjust corners and save as PDF for sharing. Make sure to straighten pages and increase contrast to improve recognition. A retake with brighter, even light often resolves errors. If text won't recognize, update iOS, restart your iPhone, or toggle live text in Settings, General Language, and Region. These steps usually fix software glitches, so you can copy, translate, or share reliably.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.